I've been hearing this narrative of if you want to reduce your tax expenses come 2026, then you need to upgrade your business from a business name to a limited liability company, or you have to register as a limited liability company. And I'm here to tell you that yes, it is a valid advice, it is a good advice, but please, if you know you cannot keep up with the obligations, the duties, the expectations of a limited liability company, just stay in your business name, JJ, else you might end up paying more than that tax that you are running for when you start defaulting these things. So here's a breakdown of the duties and obligations of a business name and a limited liability company. So the first one is business name. So being the simplest form of business for a business name, you have to file your annual returns yearly. Yes, you have to file your annual returns yearly. Although financial statements are not mandatory when filing your annual returns for a business name, it is only a confirmation that your business is still active and working. And then the second one is separation. So for a business name, both you and your business are considered to be the same legally. So issues like debts, liabilities, and risks, they all fall on you directly. So if you take a loan and you're unable to pay, you will be held responsible for the loan, and your assets can be taken. That is for a business name. So for the third one is taxes. So for a business name, you will only be paying personal income tax, and that is fine for a low risk and small business, especially when you are just starting. So you're paying a personal income tax and not a company income tax. So for a limited liability company that comes with more structure and more obligations, the first one on the list is filing your annual returns with the financials. So your annual returns are to be filed alongside your annual financial statements. That is your yearly financial statements. That is mandatory for a limited liability company. Now, the annual financial statements are to be submitted to the FIRSC. And another thing aside the auditing and confirmation of financial statements is compliance. So for example, a finance firm that was registered with the CAC that is being regulated by the CBN, all of your activities, your operations and everything has to go in compliance with the CBN. So that applies to every other business that is registered under a limited liability company. The bodies that are designed to regulate your operations, you have to file your compliance with them. And if you are found defaulting on any operations or financial statements, that seems to be more charges. That means you might now be paying more than the tax that you are running for. So the second one on the list is corporate taxes and proper corporate structure. So for the corporate tax, your taxes are the company income tax,